This one threw me for a loop because the answers don't come out too nice. You need to know how to do these things by hand though, because a lot of times they do put these things on your test in the non-calculator part. The answers will be pretty though. But this one doesn't work out too pretty, but it's okay. Main thing here is you learn how to write equations. 2 pretzels, 5 hot dogs. 2p plus 5h is 31 1/4. 4 hot dogs, so there'd be a 4h here, line it up perfectly, and 4 pretzels sell for $32.25. Now, to solve a equation like this by hand, you need to use the elimination technique. And I'm going to go after the pretzels. I'm going to multiply this equation by a -2. Think about your distributive property. That's going to be -4p minus 10h equals -6250. The reason I did the negative is so I can add down. All right? The p's cancel out. 4 minus 10, -6 hot dogs, kind of a weird expression to say, is equal to -30 1/4. I guess you could do the old school long division. When Daddy is done, we are. This one doesn't work out pretty, but when you divide by the -6, you get that a hot dog is about $5.04. I don't remember what was after the 4. It's about $5.04. Yeah. Now, since a hot dog is $5.04, we'll go home when Daddy is done. If you guys will quit interrupting me, I'll get done a whole lot quicker, okay? I will. Anyways, I'm going to take that and I'm going to throw it into probably that one. I don't guess it really matters. Maybe we'll put it right here. 2 pretzels plus 5 times 504 is 31 1/4. Now 5 times 504 is 2520. A little subtraction operation there. I guess you get $6 and a penny. Okay, $6 and a nickel. And divide by 2, you get that a pretzel is 3.025, which means $3.03. Now, while I'm doing this one, some of these might show up on the calculator part. And if you've got a calculator in front of you, it makes 0 sense to the elimination technique. So let me clear it. But I do want you to remember this, and it wouldn't kill you to play along either. The big deal is can you write the equation? Of course, I know you guys complain all the time about you can't remember anything at all. It is what it is. You're going to have to learn to memorize things. The reason the memorization isn't quite there is because of distractors like this. Go play somewhere else, please. And it just doesn't mean that much. You can make an augmented matrix that contains 2, 5, 31.25, 4, 4, 32.25 in it. You can put that in a TI. Hey guys, I've asked you not to play by the board. Looking back, I should have come up here at midnight like I did last time. This was a 2 by 3 matrix. The first row is the coefficients. You boys are not going to get McDonald's after we leave here. You know why? You're not behaving, that's right. So I went to second matrix. Now I'm going to go to second matrix again. Scroll over to math. I'm looking for RREF. What? And there's the answers we had, kids. Although it looks like I was off by a penny. Okay? Let's try this one. At a basketball game, 2 bags of popcorn and 5 drinks cost $24.25. Please stop, children. 2 bags of popcorn, 5 drinks. Cost $24.25. 4 drinks.
Let's do some math.
And 4 bags of popcorn cost $26. Maybe this one works out nicer than the last one did. I don't know. This one kind of has the same strategy as the last one. The numbers are almost the same. Multiply that by a -2. It'd be nice if that was the way you could do every single one of them.
Okay, now. No.
And then subtract, sorry, and then add down. That's a -6 drinks on this one. If you put 26 and -48.50 together, you'll get -22.50. And you're going to divide by a 6. Now, what's that going to end up being? This one I think works out nice. Let's do the old long division. What do you two boys have? 622 3 times, that's 18, we subtract. 4.75 left, put a decimal there. 647 7 times. 7 times 6 is 42. Oh, it doesn't work out nicely. 7 minus 2 is 5. 655, what, 9 times? 379, plug back in, okay? Feel free to use REF. Draw the graphical solution to the system of equations. It's a legit question for EOC. It's fine, play with that, just be quiet. 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. I believe that factor says 2x and x minus 1 minus 1. It has zeros at 1/2 and 1. So here's 1, and a half. Wow, they expect you to do that with a hand-drawn graph. That's crazy. Nah. We're just going to skip this one. That's beyond expectations on a non-calculator part. Skip that one. Use substitution to solve the system. Now, this is a valid non-calculator question. It really is. But I'll show you how to check the calculator too. Take your x, move it on over. Y is -x plus 3. And now you can put it right there. -x plus 3 equals 4x squared minus 2. You should be trying to use a zero product property here, so you put a 0 on the left and you shift everything to the right. 4x squared plus x minus 5. Hopefully you created something. Can you boys please be quiet? Emmett Mason. Emmett Mason.
What?
Quiet, please. I believe it takes a 4x and an x to make 4x squared. You can try 2x and 2x, but I think this will do it. I got my signs backwards though.
And that's mommy. I haven't seen that. I left out mommy hair. Daddy, I got mommy.
Yes, Mason Lee, that's awesome.
Got mommy. What you got, mommy? That's lines.
Anyways, I'm so sorry that this video is taking so long for y'all watching this. This will make a 5x. This will make a minus 4x. And that gets me to the x in the center. So that is the proper factorization. Okay? Now, if 4x plus 5 is a 0, x is a negative 5/4. If x minus 1 is a 0, x is 1. So I'm looking for these values. I am. You may not, of course I did things by hand here, but that is negative 1.25. A lot of y'all know that. 1, negative 1.25. Oh, you didn't have to plug anything in to find y. That's the answer. And that, thankfully, is the end of notes for y'all. Now I have to do some notes for pre-calc class. Pray for me. And their mother, obviously.